What do you want? What do you want? Could you tattoo a Gary? What do you want? If it's free Ulster Irish lessons, you'll find me, smash it down, and my playlist is linked below. You'll find it on my profile as well, Beginners Ulster Irish, where I've been teaching you Ulster Irish for free right from the beginning. So you've got all your greetings and everything that you need to bring you up to this point. And the question that we're looking at this week is, could you a tattoo a Gary? What do you want? That's the open version, and there's the closed version of "and will to a Gary." Or you want them? And we're going to explore all the different options in that. I'm going to give you a couple of different foods and drinks that you can start throwing in a conversation. So let's recap the answers to those questions now, because we're going to be using these in the videos every day this week. So even kneecaps say you need a recap. I don't even listen to the recap, I know that. So remember, answers to an "and will" question, ta and Neil. Ta or Neil. But this week, we're going to make sure that we add on some pleasantries. So, ta, let a hole. I am, but I am wanting, please. So, ta, let a hole. Or Neil, gur meogat. No, thank you. Because everybody on this island are usually pretty nice. We've all got manners apart from a few. So when you're going to be learning Ulster Irish with me, you're going to be learning some manners. So this is one to bookmark. This is one to share with your mates. This is one for you to comment below what it is that you would like to know. How can I ask for this? Give me all the different sort of items that you can ask for. Foods, drinks, and I will do my best to cover them all. Thanks as always. Slam for now.